Hi guys, this is Samrat and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to install the Arduino IDE. So open Google Chrome and type Arduino. Then click on the first link that appears, Arduino Home. Then go to Software. Now if you have a Windows system, you have to choose Windows, Linux or Mac OS respectively. So I'm having a Windows system, so I'm clicking on this option. And here click on just download. Again just download and see the file has been downloaded. So when this completes, you have to open the file and perform the installation. I already have my Arduino installed, so most probably this is going to get updated. This is the file. I'll double click on it and agree. It's better to choose all users. Next, install. So in my case, my Arduino was already installed, so it uninstalled it and it is reinstalling the Arduino IDE so that it gets updated. In your case, if it is the first time, then the Arduino will get installed simply. So the installation is complete and click on finish. So you have successfully installed the Arduino IDE and now you can start programming. In order to use other sensors, we might have to install a few libraries that we will do as we move along with the series. So for now you just need to plug in your Arduino board and you're all set for programming. So thank you for watching this video. This is Samrat, making robotics easy for you.